Are smart dishwashers worth their higher price tag? Imagine coming home after a long day and having your dishwasher take care of everything with just a tap on your phone. That's the promise of smart dishwashers. They are designed to make cleaning dishes easier and more efficient, but they do come with a higher price tag. So, is it worth paying extra for these smart features? Let's find out. Smart dishwashers usually start at around $600, while traditional models can be found for less than $500. The extra cost covers advanced technology like Wi-Fi connectivity, custom cleaning cycles, and sensors that optimize water and energy use. These appliances can save you time because you can start a cycle remotely or monitor progress from anywhere. You don't have to wait around for the dishwasher to finish. You get alerts on your phone when it's done. Some models even have voice control through smart home systems like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can tell your dishwasher what to do without lifting a finger. One of the biggest benefits of smart dishwashers is their ability to adapt cleaning based on what you load inside. They can detect how dirty dishes are and adjust water pressure and cycle length accordingly. This means cleaner dishes with less water and energy used. Many models also alert you when supplies like rinse, aid, or salt need refilling, which helps keep the machine running smoothly over time. However, these features come with a price. If you value convenience and want to integrate your dishwasher into your smart home setup, the extra cost might be justified. But if you prefer simple appliances that get the job done without fuss, a traditional dishwasher could be a better choice. Consider your budget and how much you'd use the smart features. If you're someone who loves tech and automation, smart dishwashers could be a worthwhile investment. If you're budget conscious or just want a reliable machine, sticking with a standard model might be smarter. Ultimately, it depends on what you want from your home appliances and how much you're willing to spend for added convenience.